Starting an online business can feel overwhelming, especially if you're brand new. Most people think they need to build websites, create products, or learn complicated tech skills just to get started. The truth is, that's exactly why so many beginners give up before they even make their first dollar. Wi-Fi Cash Bot changes that by giving you a plug-and-play system that's already done for you. Instead of spending months setting everything up, you log in and instantly have access to preloaded campaigns, landing pages, and affiliate offers that are ready to run. It's like opening a box and finding a business that's already built in, waiting for you to turn it on. The best part is that it also comes with an AI traffic engine. That means you don't have to worry about figuring out ads or posting all day on social media. The system handles getting visitors to your pages while you simply monitor results from your phone. Even if you've never sold anything online before, this platform makes it possible to skip the hardest parts and go straight to running a real business. It's fast, beginner-friendly, and designed to work from anywhere. So if you've been waiting for the easiest way to get started online, this is it. Click the link in my description and sign up for Wi-Fi Cash Bot today and see how simple building your own business can be.